Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is me Tofik Aman Channa and you are watching my YouTube channel Mr.Educator. Guys, in this video I'm going to share with you some daily life sentences. So be with me in this video till the end. Without wasting time, let's begin our today's video. उठ जाओ, get up, get up. क्या मुसीबत है? What a bother, what a bother. कहीं नजर न लगे. Touch wood, touch wood. कितनी बड़ी सोच है. What a great thought, what a great thought. क्यों नहीं? Why not, why not. ध्यान रखना. Take care, take care. हमारा क्या? What about us, what about us. हम खुश हैं. We are happy, we are happy. हिलो मत. Don't move, don't move. चले जाओ. Go away, go away. अंदर आओ. Come in, come in. बाहर निकल जाओ. Get out, get out. मैं ठीक हूँ. I'm fine, I'm fine. मैं पैसे दूंगा. I will pay, I will pay. क्या तुम बीमार हो? Are you sick, are you sick. ये क्या है? What is this, what is this. मैं कोशिश करूँगा. I will try, I will try. मुझे बाहर जाने दो. Let me go out, let me go out. हमारे साथ चलो. Come with us, come with us. आराम से. Take it easy, take it easy. पानी गर्म कर दो. Boil the water, boil the water. इससे दूर ही रहो. Stay out of this, stay out of this. कुछ करो. Do something, do something. कुंडी लगा दो. Latch the door, latch the door. कुंडी खोल दो. Unlatch the door, unlatch the door. क्या हो रहा है? What's happening, what's happening. लाइक करें इस वीडियो को, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें.